Guys, welcome back to Diamond Ranch Farmstead. Christian here. Thought I would give you guys a little update on everything. I got a lawnmower. It's a little tiny one. Very light. It's like, I don't even know how much it weighs. But I got it. It's easy to push. We have a riding lawnmower, but I wanted to get a little exercise. So I've been out mowing and let's see here. It's super windy, as you can hear. But hey, we got some color on the house. Got a couple plants from Tractor Supply. They were like half off because I think someone forgot to water them. But it adds a little bit of like color to our house, which I kind of like. And then what else here? Oh, let's walk out here. Whoa. Don't zoom in while you're walking. Puppy's off today and he is working on the second part of our fence. So we'll walk out here and I'll show you guys what he's doing. So we have a two gate kind of system thing where we have this section, and we always had that section down there. But what happens is when you have dogs and say someone is walking by and our dogs are out, well, they want to get out and they want to, they're guardian livestock dogs, so we just want to alleviate any kind of problems. So we're putting a second gate up. So this will be actually the first gate going out, and then that'll close, and then that'll be open down there. So that will alleviate any problems with our guardian livestock dogs. And we're going to be putting a automatic gate opener on this first one right here to kind of see how it works. It'll be like a test drive or test run or whatever. And then maybe we'll put one in way down there. We'll see. I don't know yet. But yeah, this is what Ben is working on today. This metal fencing is not for the faint of heart. It is very heavy. Let me come over here, guys. Excuse the welder. It's really, really loud. This is just a raw and uncut video to show you guys what we're doing. So this is the fence that Ben has built. It is a pretty heavy duty fence. He has it all the way around our front portion of our property. You can see it over there. You can see it over there. And it kind of just keeps the horses in. And yeah, and then he has this fencing right here. I think it's called a no climb kind of fencing. I'm not sure what that is called. And then my neighbors, I won't show their house too much without permission, but my parents used to live next door, and they have it on this side of the fencing. So it just separates our property, because I wanted that look right there around the whole property. But the problem is over time it rusts, so it's better to just leave it brown, because this is kind of what it looks like. This has not been treated. But yeah, we get a lot of compliments on our fence, but I kid you not, you could hold a elephant in here probably. Super nice though, super nice fence. Sometimes though, the dogs, if they really want to, they can dig underneath, which the ground has kind of just eroded right here. And we've had to put different pieces. This is how they're in the ground with cement. So all along the post is all cement. That dog over there, she's the one that likes to dig. She is Pyrenees, Anatolian Shepherd, and Maremma Cross. But yeah, that's the fence. And this is what Ben has been doing today on his day off. So yeah, there's some updates on some things that we're doing. Let's go show you guys the fence. This is how it's welded on. And then So this is what it does up against the colored painted fence. So yeah. And then if you can see down the fence line, if you don't tack up the fence really well, like it'll just start to kind of bend away from the fence. So you kind of have to tack it up a little bit more, which we haven't. Oh my goodness, was that a wasp in there? There was like a wasp in there. But yeah. So that's a little bit, this is some progress being made today. It'll be really nice to have the second fence. So then I won't stress out every time we're like leaving and then my dogs are out or whatever.